to another stitch tutorial with myself, Lisa, Ladybird Loves, and my trusty custom hook. Ta-da! If you would like your own custom hook to your specification, get a hold of Jelena down below. She is a brilliant artist and I will always have her details in my tutorials and my reviews for you to go and peruse. Now let's get on with the stitch, shall we? Now, as you see by the title, this is only mock bubbles. It uses far less wool than a standard bubble, of course, which is always a bonus. And we need to start with a slip stitch, like so. And we're working in even numbers, so multiples of 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Okay, so from here we are going to add an extra 2 and we're going to do a single crochet in the second from the hook, which is just here. So you've got the first one there, second one in there, so we go in for a single crochet and we do a single crochet all the way along. Nice and easy, right? Single crochet all the way along. And I apologise if you can hear tinkle tankle tinkling. That'll be the mistress eating her breakfast. Also means my mic's far better than I actually thought, if you can hear it. Okay, so I'm using a nice chunky wool to show this off. But of course it can be done with anything that you like. Okay, so on the last one, when we have our first row done, we are going to chain 1 and turn. Okay, now in that very first stitch we are going to do a single crochet, like so. In the next one we are going to do a double crochet, like so. And then in the next one a single, and then a double, and a single, and repeat all the way across. Single double, single double, single double, all the way. I nearly forgot what I did, whoops. Single, double, and single, double, single, and double in that last one. Okay, and again we chain 1 and turn, and all the way across single crochet. Now the thing is, this just gives a hint of a little bit of texture because you're using that slightly bigger stitch. It forces it forward a little bit, only a little bit. It's a little bit subtle, but it's there to give that little bit of texture. And that is literally all you do. Whoops. You do your row of single crochets, and then you chain 1 at the end, so here's my end, you can chain 1 and you turn, and then immediately put, oops, sorry, I got all confused. Do your double crochet, double crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in the next, double crochet in the next, single crochet in the next, and so on and so forth. So I'll just get to the end of this one, do my row of single crochet, and then I will show you what is what. But there are 2 ways of doing this. You don't have to do the separation row of the single crochet. You can just keep going with the alternates if you wish. And double crochet on the end. Chain 1. And I'm finishing with my row of single crochet. But you just keep going as much as you wish. I always feel it's a little bit nicer to have the row of single crochet because it helps define the alternating row, but that's a personal preference. Of course, we make everything our own, as it should be. Personal tastes. So into that last one, and there we have our mock bobbles, as it were. So where you've got the doubles, they just pop up a little bit. It's nice and subtle, but it gives that little bit of different texture. Far less wool than an actual bobble. No, it doesn't pop up, but you can definitely see a difference between the row of singles and the other alternating rows. So there we have it. There is our mock bobble. If it was any use whatsoever, of course, please give a thumbs up down below, please, please. And if you're not already, maybe subscribe. Maybe. Until next time, bye bye.